Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. Recently, so many iPhone users complained about the Bluetooth not working issues, which even happened on the new iPhone 16 series. Here are a few of them. Bluetooth says unavailable and is grayed out. Bluetooth connectivity failure occurs after installing a recent iOS update. Bluetooth is not working on iPhone with non-Apple devices like Carplay, headphones, computers, or speakers. After pairing with iPhone, the Bluetooth devices keep glitching, stuttering, and disconnecting. There can be multiple reasons why. Keep watching to learn the causes and solutions. Why is the Bluetooth on my iPhone not working? The Bluetooth problems are often caused by low power, a far distance, Bluetooth accessory not in discovery mode, and enabled airplane mode on iPhone. Sometimes, the Bluetooth not working on iPhone is due to the conflicts from multiple connected Bluetooth devices, phone system glitch, outdated software, or malfunctioning network settings. Other times, broken or damaged devices could also render Bluetooth not working properly, like not finding devices or cutting out continuously. Now, keep watching to see how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working. Make sure to follow the steps in the order we present until the Bluetooth issue is fixed. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods to get Bluetooth working again on an iPhone straightforwardly. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Step 1. Charge iPhone and Bluetooth accessory. The battery drainage is the common factor that's easy to overlook when Bluetooth won't work on iPhone. So, to start, plug your iPhone and Bluetooth accessory into power to make sure both of them have enough power. Then, try connecting to the Bluetooth device again to see if it works. Step 2. Disable the airplane mode. Next, open the control center and locate the icon showing the airplane symbol. If it's on, tap to turn it off. Switching on airplane mode will interfere with the Bluetooth function. If it's off, move to the next step. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth on iPhone. Open the control center and check if the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. If it's already on, tap to turn it off for a while and then tap it to turn it back on. If you intend to use a specific app to pair with a Bluetooth accessory, it's needed to enable Bluetooth for it. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security. Choose Bluetooth. Locate the app and switch on the toggle to turn on Bluetooth for that app. Step 4. Place iPhone close to the Bluetooth accessory. It's possible that Bluetooth stops working on an iPhone because the phone is out of the range of the Bluetooth accessory. So, move the Bluetooth accessory close to your iPhone if they are far away from each other. And make sure there is no obstruction in the middle like walls, desk, etc. Now, test if Bluetooth works on iPhone this time. Step 5. Pair Bluetooth accessory with iPhone correctly. Pairing a Bluetooth accessory is easy. Turn on the Bluetooth accessory. Enable Bluetooth on iPhone. Tap the name of Bluetooth to connect it and you're good to go. It's true, but sometimes the new technology will require further steps for Bluetooth connection. So, check the manual of the Bluetooth devices, then follow the pairing instructions written there thoroughly to pair the Bluetooth accessory with iPhone. Step 6. Restart iPhone and Bluetooth devices. Now, time to eliminate the minor software glitch on iPhone to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working. Here's what you need to do. For iPhone 10 or newer iPhone models, press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button and drag the slider to shut down the device. After 30 seconds, press and hold the side button and release when the Apple logo appears and your iPhone boots up. For an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, press and hold the side button and drag the slider to shut down the device. After 30 seconds, press and hold the side button and release when the Apple logo appears and your iPhone boots up. Then, test to see if the Bluetooth device works and connects to the iPhone again. Step 7. Forget the Bluetooth device, then reconnect. If you've connected to the Bluetooth accessory before but find the Bluetooth doesn't work on iPhone now, try to remove it from the device then pair it again. Go to Settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Under the My Devices section, tap the eye icon on the most right of your Bluetooth name. In the next page, choose Forget this device, and confirm by selecting Forget device again. Wait for a few seconds. Tap the Bluetooth accessory again to see if it connects and works properly. Step 8. Update both devices to the latest version. Updating both devices to their latest version ensures a stable system for secure and smooth Bluetooth connection. To update an iPhone, open Settings, tap General, choose Software Update, then download and install the update if it's available. To update firmware of the Bluetooth accessory, check the manual or contact the manufacturer for further help. Remember to test if it manages to fix Bluetooth that's not working on an iPhone. Step 9. Reset the network settings on iPhone. If iPhone Bluetooth isn't working even after the update, try to reset all the network settings. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode if needed to confirm the reset. Now, all the paired Bluetooth devices will be forgotten. Other saved network settings like Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN settings or custom APN configurations will be erased, too. Now, go to Bluetooth to connect the Bluetooth accessory again to see if it works. Step 10. Test the Bluetooth feature with other devices. If none of the steps above helps, you can do a quick test to narrow down if there is any problem on both devices before you contact the official support. First of all, connect other Bluetooth devices on your iPhone. If they work, then the problem should be with the Bluetooth accessory itself. Next, pair the Bluetooth accessory with another phone, tablet or computer. If they work, then your iPhone should be at fault. Step 11. Contact customer service online or visit a repair store. Based on the testing result of Step 9, it's time to contact the manufacturer for help. It doesn't matter if your iPhone Bluetooth is not working in car, for calls, or while playing songs. For iPhone, visit an Apple authorized service center and ask the expert to diagnose the hardware failure. For the Bluetooth accessory, visit its official site and contact the customer service for further troubleshooting. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix an iPhone that can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.